Hey guys, good afternoon. I just came from work and now I am preparing my lunch dinner. It is now 3:51. Yeah. You know the good thing here in the house, there is a time everywhere. I mean there is clock everywhere. Here in the kitchen, that is the clock. And then if I'm here, there is a clock there. And also in my room, there is a clock. Very nice. The only place without the clock, without the watch clock, is in the toilet. But I always have my telephone, so yeah. I am going to cook this. Yeah, just egg. Fried egg, mate. Okay, fine dining, mate. You know, these are still wet since yesterday outside, but it was raining and the whole night also was raining, so it's still wet. And when I get it in already, I don't know, the clouds move really fast and there's something dark clouds that are coming again. I think it is going to rain again. It is designed for the sand also.
Oh, the sand.
Yeah.
Oh,
I tried it in the sand and it's good.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, never seen it before.
It's already 2 o'clock. Yeah, this is my first coffee. Because you know, this morning when I wake up, I don't have coffee. I finished the coffee last night. Yeah, so I was planning to, a lot of fish down there. Big. Yeah. In the morning I was planning to come to the grocery to buy some coffee, but I was already outside, but there is a rain, so I get back home. I am actually going to the gym, mate. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, we are rushing today. We are going to Newcastle. I don't know, I just decided to buy a new camera. Yeah, because you know, I am thinking that this camera is not useful if there is a view that I need to zoom. I am thinking of taking the G7X, the Canon G7X, or the, what is that, Sony A5100. I don't know yet, and also I'm not decided yet. Also the purpose is to, of course, to see the Newcastle again. I've never been traveling, I've never been out for like maybe more than 2 months. Yeah, the bus is arriving at 8:10. I leave the house at 8:01 and I'm taking the shortcut. You know, this area is like a lake when it is raining, but you know, this is actually a dog park, dog practice area. I read that somewhere there. This bus looks new and feels new also. Yeah, just like those horses. I really want to show you those horses, but this camera cannot be zoomed. Yeah, a lot of, no, it's not horse, those are cows. It is traffic at the moment. Yeah, look. On the other side is nothing, but only this 2 lane. This one is still another lane, but no one is trying to get in. Yeah, that construction is the cause of the traffic. That's very quick. Okay, this is going to be an experiment. I just get down in the bus because I think this is the nearest place for me to be able to get to the shopping center. I am not sure. Yeah, according to Google Map, that I need to go straight here and it will go to the train station. You know, in the bus there is one lady that looks like Angie Strangie. At least the hair, they have the same hair, color red. Yeah, and you know, inside my heart, like boom 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 boom, I am building my courage to speak to that lady because I really wanted to show her that she looks like Angie Strangie. Yeah, but in the end I didn't able. Yeah, that's another failure, but it's okay, it's not a big deal. Yeah, anyway, Angie Strangie is a Russian lady who lives in the who are living before in the US and then moved to the Philippines. Yeah, she's beautiful, mate. Yeah, nice. I noticed that in this part of Newcastle, most of the houses are wooden. I mean, they are made of wood. Yeah, just like that house. Yeah, it's made of wood, but they are beautiful, colorful. Yeah, now I reached this train station. Looks like the train that passing here are the construction train. What do you call that? Production train. What is that? Cargo train. I don't know. I think you know. Yeah, this station is Warabrook. I think this is near to the university because a lot of young students. According to Google Map, I need to get down in this station. Yeah, Thornton. So I was coming from here. As you can see, Newcastle interchange, Hamilton. I was came from here. I need to get down here. And this train is actually going to Dumog. Yeah, in the coming days we are going to explore that place, Dumog. It says that Dumog is like a country. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Thornton station. Yeah, they said according to Google Map I just need to walk like 3 minutes and I'm going to reach the Greenhills Shopping Centre. If you are here, you have no idea where is it. Yeah, there's nothing, you don't see. This is empty space. Other side are parking area. Okay, we go up. Look at this train. This is the longest train I have seen ever. Yeah, very long, mate. Look at that. Until now it's still running. It's never ending. Look how long is that. It's already, you don't see the beginning and you don't see the end. That's how long is that. Okay, there is a mistake in the Google Map. I don't know why, but really there's no shopping mall here. It says that I still need to take a bus to get there, but also there is a sign that I can go straight, just that I don't know, I shouldn't be here, but it's okay because there is another bus that will go to that shopping center. We are just 2 passengers in this bus. This bus is coming from the Hunter Valley. Hunter Valley is the place where they do the farming of grapes, and yeah, they do basically the production of wine, Australian wines. Yeah, all are coming from that area, Hunter Valley. I have just $1.50 in my Opal card, but you can actually load this from your mobile phone. and that's what I did. I put $20 in here. Wow, I think this is the place. Yeah, there's a lot of big building, big establishment. Yeah, so we are here now. I am now in the food court and I'm having this. This is basically just egg, fried rice, and beef. Yeah, and this is $9. So far everything are the same shops, restaurant, beauty shop, like that. There's nothing special yet. And now we are heading to JB Hi-Fi to browse for the electronics, especially the camera. That's the purpose why I come here. Yeah mate, at the moment we are here in the Big W. Yeah, this is the same like a Kmart, Target. Yeah, the same department store. They also sell cheaper value with good quality. $6. This sweater is $8, man. I am actually really satisfied with this camera, with this GoPro Hero 5. But because I have money, I am tempted to get this. Actually, I am thinking of the G5X or the G7X. And then I saw this Canon M50. Yeah, which is like the better version of Canon G5X and G7X. I think a lot just to decide to get that. I'm now heading back to JB Hi-Fi. This watch looks good. It's a Postel. Yeah. I don't think I need this, but I am also tempted to get one because they really look good and very modern. Yeah, they are very advanced, not just a time but also recording the health and like a smartphone, all of this. But they are expensive. Look at this one. It's $329. They have different features. All of them are nice. And about this, something like a gimbal. Yeah, this is $449. This one is cheaper, $209. But until now, I'm not really convinced of having this because for me it's very bulky. Yeah, but it's really make a good video quality, smooth movements, man. Yeah, compared to the one that I'm holding now, it's very easy to hold. And also this, I am tempted to buy this one. This is a Spark. This is very small, but it flies only up to like 16 minutes. Yeah, and I have a drone, but I'm not satisfied. I don't know why. This camera, I don't know, mate. But at this time, I'm already decided to take the M50. It's in there. I'm just waiting for the other people to leave because I'm going to ask for a discount to the salesman. Normally they give. Also this microphone. Yeah, different prices. All of them are expensive, man. And this is the prices of the latest electronics here in Australia. This Lenovo is almost 3,000. Yeah, just like this one is 1689, 1499, 15, blah blah blah. Yeah, and I finally got it. And yeah, every time whenever I ask for discount, they give discount, at least a 10% discount. It is now $225. The bus is coming at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, the bus that is going to another waiting area to go to Nelson Bay. Yeah, I left the house at around 8 o'clock. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. Almost 8 hours now that I am outside. This Greenhills Shopping Centre is it's good. They have a lot of choices inside, but just the usual size of the same like the other shopping mall here in Australia. Yeah, basically they have this big W, Woolworth, Coles, Target. Yeah, they don't have Kmart. As I can see here, there is a Greenhills dental surgery open. You know, I am planning to have my teeth fixed. As you can see, I am gummy. I have this gummy smile. When I smile, my gum shows up. Yeah, and I don't feel comfortable with that. And yeah, that's why I'm going to fix that when I get back to the Philippines, because you know, in the Philippines it's much cheaper. I remember one of my colleagues in my current work, he just did you know, a pasta, something like a peeling on his teeth, and it cost $900. Just a peeling. But this shopping mall is surrounded by bushland. As you can see from here, a lot of trees surrounded in this area, or even behind this building. You know, these are the school bus. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of students there. And the school bus that they have is the same like the passenger bus. Thank you. Yeah, I just ordered this because I'm hungry. Because you know, there is no restaurant outside of the airport. So if you want to eat, you need to get inside the airport. And yeah, the same procedure. You also need to go through the scanning of your bag, checking of your bags. Yeah, things like that. So the same like the passengers, you need to go through the procedure. No other restaurant around. Yeah, so if you are around here and you are hungry, you need to go through the security check and get inside the boarding area, because there are restaurants there. The sun is now setting down there, and you know, the good thing is that there's no rain today, so for sure when I get home, my clothes are dry already. Yeah, mate, those are my clothes. My landlord picked it up for me.